have guys here. Sorry, that took a while to actually get online. But it's one of those things, we just have to do what we have to do and get online as soon as we can. So thank you so much for joining today's live session. It's nice to have you guys here. This is a beautiful one. This is a very beautiful one here. We have this decision point trade here. You can see we have this level and price broke this level. If you go to lower time frame, let's just quickly check this. This trade has passed, but usually anytime I see a trade like this, I like to check it. You understand? We'll mark the decision point trade here. Definitely, there's another one down here. There's another decision point. So you mark these two areas. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I forgot to enable my disable my DND mode. Well, no problem. Here we are. Okay, so we'll mark these areas, and let's see how the market responded to that point. You can see price came down into that entry and gave us a push to the upside. That was how we would have won the trade. You understand? These are, guys, these are how we take our trades. But quickly, let's run the thank you so much for joining, guys. Hope you're feeling great today. And thank you for liking the video also. I really appreciate that. Please go ahead and like the videos. Let's quickly run the today's setup. I know that we've not. I'll try, while we're running the setup, I'll try and lose this. I'll try to lose this balance so that we can start fresh. Oh my God. That was break even. Okay, fine. In today's setup, we have candlesticks chart type. Then we'll enable the timer here and we'll disable this auto scroll thing. Now the time frame is going to be M1, and that's that for this side option. So we'll come down here. We are using M1, but this is regular mode, and we are switching to the flag mode actually. So we are not using a clock mode. This is a clock mode, but we're using a flag mode, and we'll make sure that this second hand is on. This second hand is on what they call it. It's on 0. It's very important that that's on 0. You understand? So no problem. So we'll be going in with 12.5% of our balance, but we need to lose this balance, and it just keeps increasing. It happens like that sometimes. Akimbola, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling good today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Guys, please go ahead and like the video as soon as you join in. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate that you like the video. Let's try and lose this balance, because I wanted to start with a clean slate. You understand? But while we're losing this balance, let's look for a beautiful market. I love that market that we're just coming from, but we can't trade it right now. Clay Slay, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So, Shujon, Shield, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you, Kesley, for that emoji. It's nice to have you here. It's been a while. Hope you're feeling great today. And how's the weather at your side? Yes, Abdi Wali Muhammad, thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today too. It's nice to have you here. Please go ahead and like the video. Thank you very much. Okay, we've lost this balance finally. So let's go in with a reasonable amount that we can. Nope, not 10. I didn't say 10. Okay. Let's just add 90 to that. Good. Okay, as if this area is still, but here, 12.5. So we're going with 12.5% of our balance. We'll clear all this because we're not going to take this trade. Yes, I'm glad you're doing great. It's been raining. Oh my God, it's been wet. That's good. It's unlike the crazy snow that happened the other time. That's crazy. But it's nice. It's nice to hear that at least life is back to normal because I know how it is for things to just be in halt for a while. But thank you very much for joining today's class. It's nice to have you here. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Okay, we have a nice supply here. This is a beautiful supply. I don't know what to do with the supply yet, but let's just mark it. Sometimes, see, when you enter the market, you just mark things. Just mark things you can identify first. Then over time, you may be able to like see a pattern. You understand? Something you can really hold on to. There's another level up here above the supply. You can see. So we can mark the supply too as the supply area. You understand? I was trading on my computer today, and guys, I really love trading on the computer too. Funny enough, I really like trading on my phone, but the thing is, I really can't trade on my computer at the moment. Uh, I still prefer trading on because it's touch screen actually. So I kind of like touch screen. That's the only way we know is to draw the charts. Yes, it's to draw the charts. No, we are not using any indicators, so we're not bothered about all those. No indicators. We just go ahead and chart the market. You understand? There's another level down here. You can see there's another level down here. You understand? Now, if this ends up being an inverted hammerhead candle, I'll go with the sellers. That's a reversal sign for us. Now, if it does not give us a red candle, you understand, I may consider not going with the sellers. But if it's an inverted hammerhead candle and it give us a red candle, especially if we have a gap up, no gap up. Okay, we have a slight gap up. I'm taking this trade. I'm going with the sellers. Yes, finally, bread and butter gang. Yes, we need to break the bread. Yes, so yes, we need to bake the bread. That's it. Yes, so our class captain is not here yet. But guys, please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, if you are new here and you are wondering how do you get started, I will give you the information very soon. Okay, just let me see, give me the next 3 minutes and I'll give you all the information you need. But while that one is going on, okay, we only have less than 10 seconds. Let's see if it will give us red candle. I'm expecting a red candle. If it doesn't give us, no, fine. Okay, it's gonna give us. That's good. It's gonna give us. We can still go with the sellers actually because we had a lower low. You understand? Not really though. It's because the reason why I prefer my mobile phone right now. You understand? It's very easy. Like you see, you need to understand the country where I am. You understand? We usually don't have electricity like that, and if you're using a laptop, it's clunky, it's big. You can't really charge it everywhere you go. But for example, if you are with your mobile phone or with an iPad or with a tablet, now that's mobility. It's very easy to carry around. You understand? Anywhere you are, you can easily just just plug a power bank and you're on the go. You understand? So you can trade it anywhere where you are. Also, you understand? Also, the thing there is, anytime you are, so anytime you are maybe on the move and you are like maybe you want to take a trade, you see, tapping a screen, your phone screen. Actually, if you are using a higher end phone, I mean, I'm talking about a flagship phone, not a mid range phone or in a low range phone like that. If you are using a flagship phone, actually tapping the screen is faster than clicking a mouse. You understand? It's very fast actually. The response time, all those things, and the fact that I have an S Pen, so that works as a surrogate mouse also is very 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 good thing. You understand? Aside from the fact that my device is currently faulty at the moment, you understand? It's very very fast And speed and accuracy is one major thing that traders need in the market. You understand? Traders need speed and accuracy. Let me just quickly increase the screen brightness. So traders need speed and accuracy, and if you can get that, you understand, you can do a whole lot in the market. Okay, let me see what happened in the market. This was a change of structure. I think the market switched around. Yes, so you understand. Some people wonder how I'm very fast in, like, marking the market, doing this. It's because I'm using the kind of device I'm using, basically. You understand? You understand? So that's one of the things that makes you a very good trader in the market, when you can navigate very fast. You understand? So all those fast navigation thing, you can't really do it. Well, as it is right now, I can't really do it on the laptop. Now, the laptop has a very big advantage. It's a bigger screen, and you can see, like, you can go back, like, on one screen you can see more details or what's happening in the market. You understand? So instead of you scrolling back, you see everything way back, like to the left. So you can easily look to the left and tell what's happening, basically. So all those factors, they are very, very good. You understand? This is a very, exactly, it's always very helpful to be able to see things way back. You understand? Like, look at this one. I have to move back, but I really don't mind sometimes, because so very soon, we're trying to get a tab now. That tab is going to be a big tab. I think it's about 13 inch. Yes, it's good to see more real estate, actually. So we're currently trying to get a tab now. It's called a tab S10 Ultra. Now there's 11 Ultra, but I prefer the S10 Ultra, actually. It's made by Samsung. Yeah, so if we can get that right now, it's going to be a game changer. Number one, now we'll change from this vertical landscape into the landscape, this thing into the landscape format. Also, it's going to be a better viewing experience because it has higher time frame. You understand? Like the video time frame, you can go as high as 120. I think it's 120 FPS or so, or maybe 60 FPS. This one is 60 FPS already, anyways. But you can go as high as 120 FPS. So that alone is a good thing. Oh wow! Can you imagine? I didn't even know about that, but that's a very good one. It's a very good device, because when you have that kind of big real estate, then you can do a whole lot, and it's going to be a better viewing experience for you guys. You understand? So, I'm currently saving up for it. Now, there was the other time I talked about it. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Come on, go ahead and like the video. Do you want me to come and use my finger to like your screen? I can do it. Guys, go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. You understand? Yes, God is able, definitely. Oh yes, it's a nice ABC pattern. Now I'm looking. This one is not a doji. I would have taken a doji trade down here, but it's not a doji, actually. So, guys, please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You understand? I would really appreciate if you can do that. Let all of us do it together, like a big community. I'm looking for a very good trade that we can take. This is a price channel to the downside. You understand? It's one of those things I always say. Just mark things out first. The market will speak to you eventually. You understand? So if we have price come into this sellers area, we have a gap up already. You know what? Let me take one here. If it goes up, I'll take another one. You understand? Now let me go to lower time frame. I should have done that earlier. Okay, we have another entry up here. If price come up here, we will take the trade above that round number. So I'm expecting a push to the downside from here. Above this round number now, I'm expecting a push to the downside. Oh, come on, I missed that entry. You know what? Let's go. I'm expecting a pullback from here. So let's quickly switch this. Oh, no, no, no. We have a gap up. I really wish the sellers would give us a red candle. You understand? We have a gap up here, so I'm expecting a red candle actually. Can we have a red candle, please? Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. It didn't give us that red candle. You know what? I'm not going to take another trade because this one may be a liquidity sweep to the upside. So I won't take another one. It should actually give us a red candle. I was expecting it to. Yes. Oh, okay, you want to ask a question? Go ahead now. Go ahead and ask a question. No problem. I know others probably will be able to learn from your questions. You understand? So please go ahead and ask a question. It's okay. Let me save this. Sorry, I couldn't read that message. That last I couldn't read that. You were asking about something. I think trend. You may probably mention trend line. I'll go with the sellers here. We have a fifth candle, and we're still inside this. We're still inside this um, supply area. So I'm expecting the sellers to come in. You know what? Let me refresh this. Okay, fine. I can see it now clearly. Now, the reason why I took this trade and the previous trade, actually, this rejection from the is because we're in a price channel. Look at this. Price came down, up, then down, then up. Now, I was expecting a push to the downside here because we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. But also we have this lower time frame entry. You understand that price came so I took the trade above this round number 0.99300. You can see, so we have the sellers now coming back into that area. We take the trade. So let's go back with now we may have a third breakout here. This is going to be a beautiful third breakout down here. Adidot, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, trend line gap up. Clearly, you already know about trend lines and gap ups now. Why are you asking about it? Are you asking because of for the sake of others, or are you asking for a friend? Look at this. We're most likely going to have a third breakout here. So let me see what's going on. So if price crosses this area, we can take a trade down here. You understand? I really like that this candle closes down here with a long candle like this. Or I guess it's not going to do that, but no worries. Let's just wait for this trade. Yeah, for the trade you took had a bunch of confirmation. Yes, it had yes, but yes, we have trend line, then we have lower time frame entry, we have gap up. You understand? So and we have round number too because I included the round number in the. You understand? We took the trade above the round number, and round numbers can act like S and Rs. You understand? Now you see this push to the downside is a very strong one. It could as well be a momentum, but it's heading towards a buyer's entry. Look at this. This buyer's entry, buyer's entry, buyer's entry. If price comes down here, we will go with the buyers. But I'm hoping that we have a gap down. That will really help us. Now, what we will do is we won't take the trade immediately, or you know what? I will split the trade into two. You understand? We have strong momentum to the downside, but I still want to take the trade. So what I would do is I will take one trade immediately the price opens like this. The price comes down to this buyer's entry under this round number 0.990000. I'll take the full amount. You understand? So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, under this round number, I'll take one more. If it crosses to that buyer's entry, I'll take one more also. So let's see how it goes, how it plays out. You understand? I'm expecting a green candle because of this third breakouts. But if that doesn't happen, we will still win. Or at least it will still be a good trade for us. You understand? So let's see how that goes. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's very nice. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and like. I really don't know why I have to even say it in the first place, but no problem. Guys, go ahead and like the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you liking the video. Now, let me explain this trade. You see, I've been talking about this strategy for a very long time now. And, I told somebody the other day that this is like the easiest. Oh, wow, you had some few good trades. Correct. I like that. So now, look at this. So we have first touch here. We are considering this level. I mean this zone, this area, this level. That's the level we're considering right now. This area. Let me mark the zone for you so that you can see. Now look at this. These are first touch. Then we have high. Look at this. We have high here. Now we have second touch here. And we have higher high. You understand? Now, if price comes into this level and breaks it, look at this. It's a total breakout. Yes, you're correct. Look at this. If price comes into this total breakout, we will go with the buyers. You see this trade? Let's assume we took the trade down here with margin of safety. You understand? We go with the buyers. This is going to be our trade. You understand? This is a beautiful setup. You understand? You see this setup, bread and butter gang. You see, this setup is bread and butter. I'm telling you. You understand? It's bread and butter. That's the way it is. You can pick a lot of bread with just the setup alone. You understand? And I've thought about this setup many times. You understand? I call it it's a thought breakout. It's a fantastic. Look at it. We can take another trade here. Oh, the buyers are already coming. You understand? You understand? We have a gap up in favor of the sellers. I probably won't take this trade. You understand? But if we had the gap down here, we can go with the buyers. Why? Because this is a buyer's entry. Look at this. Buyer's entry, buyer's entry, buyer's entry. You see? We're in the buyer's entry too. Buyers can come in, but we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. So we cannot take this trade right now. Maybe we have, after this candle now, we can consider going with the buyers if we have more reason. Yeah, it's another breakout retracement, you understand? So if we have a gap down, we can go with the buyers. I think the buyers really want to come in here. But if we have a gap down, we can go with the buyers again. But if we don't have the gap down or any confirmation, we will not do that. Can we have gap down? No. There's a slight gap down. You see, I'm going to wait for margin of safety to come back to this level. Then I'll go with the buyers. But if it doesn't come back, so be it. I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to force it at all. You understand? I can see the buyers really want to come in before, but it's a buyer's entry. You understand? So we can take the trade, but we need margin of safety to take this kind of trade. Yeah, we have a gap down already in favor of the buyers, but we might as well just take margin of safety. But if it doesn't happen like that, fine. We'll just leave it and find another market. Then let me see this market. Okay, we still have one more trick up our sleeve here. You see, price broke this level to the downside with an ABC. We can look for a decision point trade. Okay, we found the entry. We can look for a decision point trade. Yes, JK, hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes, I'm using the demo to demonstrate. That's what it is for, right? Demo means demonstration. You understand? Yes, I'm teaching the strategy on demo actually. So if price comes back into this entry, we will go with the sellers. You understand? So let's just wait for it. Let me mark this quickly before price comes back into that area. You see, we have another round number there. So above this round number is going to be our entry. We will take the trade there and, we'll let go and let God. It's as simple as that. You get it, just. Landed is me. Yeah, so. Okay, good. So this is going to be our entry. We'll wait for it. I have a feeling to just like hurriedly go up and come back. So we need to be okay. We have a gap up in favor of sellers. That's good. So if price comes up here, that'll be our bread and butter right there. Let's just wait. Hey Kataji, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, you are the one that saying landed is me. I didn't see that before. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Brother Butter Gang, thank you so much for joining. Okay, now you see we can have a we can have a fifth candle theory after this candle. But you know what? I'm really hoping that price will enter inside this. Oh, come on. I was really hoping that price will come into this entry so that we can take a beautiful trade. But I will go with the sellers. Okay. Oh, come on. I missed that entry actually. But no problem. I will take another trade if price comes into that area. We have candle theory, so I'm expecting. Come on now. What's it doing? This is where a lot of people lose their their cool and trade random trades. I understand how it feels sometimes when you have to wait for an entry and you already have a bad entry, but the good entry doesn't want to come in. Green lights, thank you so much for joining. Oh, tree lights, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, the time frame is 1 minute. We are trading the 1 minute time frame, and the trade time is also 1 minute. So, oh, fine, that's good. The fifth candle theory worked here. Okay, that's cool. Now, guys, if this is your first time, or if you're just beginning, if you're a beginner, and you would like to learn how to trade binary options trading, now the first thing I will tell you to do is go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe right away. This is where you get the authentic. When I say the authentic, no holds barred, no bullshit info. This is it. Colin, it's nice to have you here. Oh, Makinde, thank you so much for joining. Yes, thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. Hope you guys are feeling great today. Now, the thing there is, if this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah, you're welcome, Colin. It's nice to have you here. Now, the next thing you need to do, if you don't have an account yet, the next thing you need to do, click the registration link in the description and register with your email. You understand? It takes you to the broker we are currently using. If we have a gap up, we can go with the sellers here too. No, we don't have a gap up. We have a gap down, so we cannot take this trade. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click the registration link. Or what are the days you do? Do you mean what are the days I come online? I come every day, but usually at this time. You understand? And if join the Telegram channel link in the description. I always post in the Telegram channel before coming live, like 15 minutes before coming live. Today I took a little bit of time, but you guys, you can always just click on that Telegram channel link and join in, so that anytime I'm coming live, you will get the notification ahead. Now, another thing you need to do, in fact, you know what, guys, let's do something quickly. Let all of us do this together now. You understand? The reason why I want us to do it together is because you guys may forget to do it later. Yes, I understand. I understand. So I come live every day, you understand, about this time. And if I'm going to come live another time, I would put it in the comments in the Telegram channel. Now, guys, I want us to do something together today. Please go into your YouTube. I want you to enable your notification. If you've not enabled your see that notification bell that is beside the subscribe button, I want you to click it and put it on all. It's very important, guys, that you do that. Let me tell you why. You see, anytime I come live, a lot of you don't know on time, and that's the reason why I always tell people to please go ahead and like the video. So if you have not liked the video, go ahead and like the video right now. But more importantly, I want you to enable the notification. It's very important that you do it. You understand? So if you can enable the notification, that will go a long way, so that anytime we come live, You understand? You not need to worry. You get the notification immediately. We can take this trade. Oh, come on. I want to take this trade above this round number. You know what? Let's take this trade. Oh, that entry was bad. I wanted to enter up here. I'll tell you what, there's this thing called it's an advanced market structure actually. It's not the same, like the basic market structure. It's an advanced market structure. You see, there are certain market structure that the I'm expecting a red candle here. There are certain market structures that the even if the market breaks a even if the market breaks a trend line, the market will still go ahead and respect it in a way. And I've not really talked about this before. I've not actually talked about it. You understand? I'm expecting a red candle here. Usually it's meant to happen like that. Also, we have this red green pattern. If you look at it, this red green, red green, red green. You understand? So I'm expecting a red candle here. Oh, come on, that was too close. Oh, we missed that. But I was expecting a red candle here because of this red green pattern and because of this advanced market structure, but that did not happen. No problem. It usually happens like this, especially if you have a supply. But you know what? We have another supply up here, but it's not a very strong supply, so we don't have to take this. So, guys, please go ahead and enable the notification bell on your account for your YouTube account. It's very, very important, guys. The reason why it's important is because you need to know when we are live. For now, I really don't have a consistent time, and the reason why I don't have a consistent time, I will let you is simply because you understand the factors that surround either I come live or not are not consistent right now, and I have to be truthful about that. It's not consistent for now, and because it's not consistent, oh come on, I expected this round number to be a cushion for us. Okay, good. That was a good one. I expected the roundabout to be a rejection area for us, and we also have this entry from the previous markets. You understand? So it worked actually. So you understand? So if you can just enable the notification, please go ahead and do it right now. Thank you. And please go ahead and like the video also. You understand? Just like the video. Thank you very much. If you don't know how to like your video, it's if you're using your phone, just click the double tap your screen if you're on your phone. If you're on your computer, you already know what to do. I don't need to tell you. You understand? But if you're on your phone, just double tap the screen. You understand? That's like the easiest way. Oh, we have another trend line here. That's beautiful. That's why we had that common point of rejection work. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, this is another reason why. Okay, cool. All right, okay. Let's find another entry. Let's look for it. Oh, we marked this market the other time. Oh, this trade worked. Can you imagine? We could have taken this trade. This basic market structure, you can see. Price came down here into this buyer's entry. We have a demand down here. You can see, guys, this is how we take our trades. You can see, look at this trade. Beautiful trade. It would have simply worked. You can see that the demand. Now, somebody will be wondering, like, how did you know all this? Guys, there's one thing I want to tell you quickly. If you are the type that you really want to take this seriously, you understand? Now, if you're a beginner and you've registered your account, all you need to do is to come. Key step, thank you so much for joining. All you need to do is to come to this channel. There's in the playlist section, like I have a playlist area in this channel. Click on it and look for binary options for beginners. You know, it's a whole playlist that I call it the beginners playlist. Now, when you look at the beginners playlist, it has 16 playlists videos there. Watch all the 16 videos, guys. Watch everything. Yes, thank you so much, Martins. Yes, thank you so much, Key Step. It's nice to have you here. You understand? Go ahead and watch all the binary option for beginner playlist videos. Watch everything. That's where you get the foundational knowledge that you need. You get the gist. Now, if you are here and you want to brush up on your strategy, just go and watch the live trade session playlists. Akinwumi, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. You understand? So what you need to do is to go ahead. Siton does Zika C372. Thank you so much for joining. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. I couldn't pronounce it properly. But thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you very much. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes, Akinwumi Olabanji. Yes, you're welcome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Yeah, Gabriel, it's nice to have you here. No, it's not. It's not Cortex. It's this pocket option. So this pocket option is not. It's not Cortex. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you coming. So you understand. So if you want to brush up on your skills and you want to learn more concepts um and more strategies, go ahead and watch the playlist called binary option called live trade sessions. You see, these are my own personal live trade sessions that I've taken. You understand? It's really going to help you guys. Please go ahead and watch it. It goes a long way to help you. You understand? Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate 6372 Brahim Wakrim. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. But I want you to speak more on OTC manipulation compared to real market. Okay, Tido, nice one time here. Thank you very much, Tido. It's nice to have you here. Now, okay, you want me to talk about OTC and its manipulation? I'll talk about it quickly. You see, a lot of people have this notion about finally English placed. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Now the thing there is, see, yes, I don't want to believe that the market is not manipulated. You understand? But the thing there is, with all the manipulation, you can still make something happen. Now you need to have your mind in the right place first, because that's the most important thing. You understand? You need to let your mind understand that. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes. So it's nice to guys, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. So the thing there is, what you need to do is to make sure that you have your mindset in the right place. You see, mindset plays a very, very strong role when it comes to trading. See, trading is 70% psychology and 30% skill sets. You understand? And because of that mindset, if you always believe that, oh, the OTC is being manipulated, we cannot this, we cannot that, you won't be able to do it. It's going to be a blockage in your mind. But if you believe that, okay, fine, I know it's manipulated, but I can still make something out of it. Look at this. This is a beautiful thought breakout. First touch low, second touch lower low. Price comes into this area, you go with the sellers. It's a win. It's a beautiful win. You understand? Yes. Thank you. Okay, you want to talk about risk management? You understand? Yes, something like that. You're correct. Blockage in your mind. Why? Because you see, when you have a negative connotation about something, the mind always fetches the negative things out. You understand? Now, the reason why I'm trading demo, I've explained this before, but I will explain it again. The reason why I'm not actually trading right now. I'm just explaining. So if I'm explaining something and I have to look at now, you sent me a comment. I'm reading your comments. You understand? Now I have to watch out for the market, read your comments. You understand? Give you responses. I'm discussing with you right now. You understand? It's a lot of distraction for anybody who wants to trade for real. Like if you really want to trade, yeah, that's what I'm explaining to you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what I'm doing right now is demonstrating the strategies. If I'm going to take a trade, I'm not going to like be talking. I'm not going to be distracted. I'm not going to read your comments. I will just trade. Now, if you really want to watch my live trades, because I know a lot of you really want to watch the live trades, you understand? All you need to do is to watch. I say I have a playlist. It's called Live Trade Session. That's where all my live trades are. You can watch everything. See, the recent live trade session I did, I posted it there. You can watch it. Golden, it's nice to have you here. You understand? I have a live trade session. I'm going to post one very soon. You understand? I'm going to post one probably tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to post another one. My own personal account, live trade session. You can watch it. You understand? You see, the same way I'm explaining all this is the same way I'm explaining over there. The only difference is that I'm not live, one. Number two, I'm not reading anybody's comments. So I'm concentrating on just talking through the trades. You understand? It's easy to talk through your trades than to explain to people. Then you're asking questions that will have to answer you. You're only going to post winnings. No, all the successes, all the failures, everything you see there. You understand? You see all my losses too. Everything is there. I don't care if you see. I don't care about people seeing my losses. You understand? Why? Because losses are part of trading. You understand? Losing such sessions are part of trading. So you see my losses there. Go and check. If you check very well, you see. You understand? Assam shoe repair. Thank you so much for joining. So all you need to do, if you really want to watch my live trade sessions, go ahead and watch. You see, I think I have close to maybe 100 videos there. You understand? That are from my own personal account. So you go ahead and watch it. You understand? You will learn one or two things. You don't only learn. See, oh, Shujon Shield, thank you so much for joining. See, the thing that is, you cannot only learn from successes. You have to learn from failures too. You understand? Now, I will not be a good mentor if you cannot learn from my failures too. You understand? You cannot only learn from success all the time. Like, okay, winning trades, winning trades, winning trades. No, you have to learn from the failures too. That's how life is. You understand? So that's how it is. Go ahead. You see all the winning trades, all the losing sections. You see everything there. Zero balance. You see everything there. So it's easy to. Yes, I mentor students actually. I'm actually a mentor. You understand? So I have a mentorship called the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? Now that's a very good segue actually. Now, if you're here and you're a beginner and you probably don't have, or you just want to learn very fast, you understand, and you would like me to be your mentor, you want me to mentor you, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, the Barter-Pro mentorship is where I actually teach my students one-on-one. I take them through this process. I take them through all the strategies, one after the other, step by step. I hold them by the hand. You understand? I see them through. You understand? Some of my students actually have gone from just $100 to $40,000. I posted it in the Telegram channel. You can check the Telegram channel and you see the trades. They are there. You understand? From some of my students. You understand? I've had some of my students going from, you understand, as low as 200 to 2,000 within a day. You understand? That's how it is, guys. You understand? So over time, TY pointing out. Okay, sorry, I don't understand that. So basically, you understand. The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is the Telegram channel link in the description. Click on Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram that you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, and I'll give you all the details that you need to join. You understand? So thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate that. Okay, let's get back to the video right now. Definitely, anything can happen in this market, actually. Anything can happen in this market. I don't have a teacher. I always teach myself, but I believe I can learn. Definitely, you can learn. Trust me. See, let me give you one gist. See, I was on my own for 2 years, 2 good years, and trust me, I didn't know jack. You understand? I didn't know anything. I struggled in the market. The time I met my mentor, that was when everything changed for me. See, let me tell you the true gist. Having a mentor is a lifesaver. You understand? See, if you are just starting, the fastest way to learn is by getting a mentor. Let a mentor teach you. You understand? See, you can't really learn all the things you need to learn from a live video like this, or maybe from YouTube. There are still some real life experiences that your mentors will share with you that is really going to help you. You understand? I'm telling you. This is, yeah. You know that I teach. I'm a very good teacher actually. I teach very well in these videos. Some of you here, without the mentorship, you've had good successes. You cannot deny that because I know I've seen you understand, some of your results. You understand? But the thing there is, you see, if the free version is this good, then how do you think the mentorship is going to be like? You know, if just the video is like this, how do you think the mentorship will be like? You understand? That's how it is, guys. That's the way it is. You understand? So if you are just starting, my advice to you is to get a mentor. Hey Mojid, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. So that's the best way to learn very fast. You understand? See, I've seen a lot of people, they will complain, I lost a lot of money, blah blah blah. Yes. But the truth of the matter is, if you had a mentor, your mentor would have helped you a little bit more. As you probably wouldn't have lost so much, because the mistakes you want to make, your mentor has made it. You understand? Look at this. The mistake you're about to make as a beginner, I've made it before because I was a beginner too. You understand? I can tell you, do this, don't do this, do this, don't do that. Just by following instructions, you save yourself a lot of heartache, headache. You will just be all right. Yes, you are going to face your own challenges, but eventually you'll be better for it because you've been with someone who has been through what you are currently going through. You understand? It's as simple as that, basically. You understand? Lucy, thank you so much for joining. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. I couldn't read that name properly. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Let's look for a very good opportunity in the market. This is a beautiful one. Now, this is a very beautiful and opportunity we have here. You see, this strategy is called decision point strategy. And look at this. It happens when you have an area of maybe support or resistance in the market. Look at this. This is really true. I believe I will start again. Definitely, you can see, guys, you can start again. It's never too late to start again. You understand? If you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message on Telegram. When you get to Telegram, click that tag called at Barter-Pro mentorship and send me a message. Guys, please go ahead and like the video, like the live. Yes, you've been expecting this, right? Okay, that's very good. Yes, can you share your Telegram? Yes, I've shared it. It's in the description of this video. If you want to know where the description is, if you are using your phone, long press your screen. To bring up the description, you can click the description or go to the top right hand corner of your screen here and click the menu, then click the description. Yes, it's in the description. You see it there. The Telegram channel link is there. The registration link is there too. You understand? It's as simple as that. So you see, we have an area of resistance in the market, but the resistance has been broken right now. Now, the next thing we need to do is to go to lower time frame to go and find that area of decision points. I found one down here. I'm going to mark it, but I have a feeling there might be another one up here. So we're going to mark it. Okay. So let's go to S15. Let's see. Okay, fine. I've found it. You see this one is it's an inverted hammerhead candle. This red one. I'm going to mark everything. It's very similar to a doji. So I'm going to mark everything and I will step it up forward like this. Yes, I counter great experience today. All the $15 has gone, but oh wow. Sorry, I couldn't read the whole message. I would like to read everything. Okay. Well, it doesn't pay me because consistency is the key. Exactly. You see now. Now you are beginning to see the loss as a cost of doing business now. And that's how it is sometimes. You see, sometimes when you have your mind in the right place, you will see that loss as a cost of doing business, not as a loss, because it's either you are able to learn from that experience and you will not repeat that mistake. You understand? That's how life is. So you're able to learn from that experience now, and you before you know it, you realize that it's a mistake that you will not repeat, itself. You understand? Now look at this. We have these entries here. There's one entry here. There's another one entry down here. If price comes down into this entry, now we'll go with the buyers. Let's keep this one as a favorite. Let's check this one. So we have this big supply area here. Let's mark this as the supply area. Supply area is where you have the sellers. You understand? So We'll mark this. If price comes into this area, we will have a good trade. Why? Because this area is a very strong supply area. Look at this push to the downside from here. Now, this would have been a very good area for a sell trade. You understand? But you can't really trust this area right now, so no problem. Marshall, you say you are reporting me. Why are you reporting me? Can you give me a reason? Do I deserve a reason for you saying you are reporting me? There has to be a reason. So if you cannot give a reason, then you can, by all means, please go ahead. Okay, because you're trying to scam people. Okay, no problem. Go ahead, do your worst. You understand? I have testimony of people that have helped. People have helped here, so I'm not going to give you any. I'm not going to answer your messages again or your comments. So go ahead and do your worst. Let's continue with our trade, guys. Let's leave all the trolls out of this session. Yeah, you guys can answer him, but right now, me, I'm not going to answer him again. Let's continue our session. Okay, this is a beautiful one. Oh my god. We have a beautiful price channel here. Thank you, Tido. I really appreciate that. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay. Look at this beautiful price channel. Oh man, whoever took these trades is like bread and butter. Come on. This is beautiful, man. This is so nice. So now look at this now. We have a break of structure here. But you see this break of structure, we can go into the lower time frame and find the decision point for that break of structure, and we can take the trade. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this entry. Beautiful entry right here. Look at this. So we can mark this right now. Look at this. So let me mark it as a lower time frame entry. If price comes back into that area, we'll take the trade. Yes. So it's going to be, in SMC, sometimes these SMC guys, they call it break and retest. So when you break a level and the price comes back into that area to retest the level, this is exactly what's happening. Look at this. And also, look at this area, though. Let me mark it. It was a previous demand area, but now it has turned to a supply. You can see now. So it was a previous demand area. Now it has turned to a supply. So you call it DBS. It's a beautiful one. Look at this. It's a beautiful one. Look at this. So if price comes into this area now, we'll take a beautiful trade. And if it comes into that trend line also, we'll have a beautiful trade. So let's keep an eye on this market. Let's check that previous market we are waiting on. Okay, so we have two potential markets right now that we're waiting on. That's a very good one. This is a level, but I don't trust this level right here. So I'm not going to take any trade, because any attempt to go with the sellers here, the buyers may just come in and push the price up. But look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3. If we have a green candle here, we may go with that fifth candle as a so we may do a fifth candle theory here, but we have to go with small amounts in case the buyers, because it's becoming a momentum right now. But we still have a fifth candle theory, so but we will need at least maybe a gap up. You know what? Let me reduce this. let me just take small amounts in case we'll just go with small amounts that doesn't really affect our balance. You understand? Okay, we didn't even with the sellers came in too early. Okay, let's take this trade. I just want to take the trade, so we're going with small amounts. No, you know what? Let's see if the market will. So we're going with very tiny amounts just in case the buyers take over the market. Yeah, but we have a gap up at least, so it's in favor of the sellers. You understand? So this is how you can manage you can do dynamic risk management. You understand? So if you want to take a trade that is not very sure, you reduce the amount, very small, tiny. It won't affect your balance too much, but you really want to take the trade anyways. You understand? So in case the buyers come up and push the price up, the loss will not affect your balance basically. You understand? So it's as simple as that. So we have a demand, a supply area up here. We can take this supply trade. You understand? We can take the supply trade if price comes into that supply. This is an exhaustion candle. Okay, good. So I'm expecting a red candle here if it's going to happen. But if it doesn't happen, it's still fine. Why? Because this is a very strong push to the upside. You understand? But I'm expecting the sellers to be able to reject this price at least enough to give us a winning trade. But if it doesn't happen, it's fine. You understand? It's still with small amounts. You get the gist. But we want to take this trade, so we've taken the trade. We have 30 seconds left, so let's see. Okay, cool. I'm going to explain why I took this trade and why I took the previous trade also. I'm going to explain it. Oh, will you switch? Definitely, I will. At some point, I'm going to do that. But I need to be able to. I need to be able to. It's going to be in a controlled way. I can still go with the sellers, but you know what? Because this area is okay. We have a gap down. I wanted to go with sellers again, but I'm not going to do that right now. We have a gap down in favor of the buyers. But let's check that other market we're looking at. Oh my God. You know what? Let's take this. In fact, let me go with the regular amount. I'll take this trade. So I'm expecting the push to the upside now from here. I'm expecting the buyers to respond here, but the buyers are very, very slow to respond. I'm still going to go with the buyers again because I'm expecting the buyers to actually come in. We had a gap down before. So let's have the buyers come in now. Now we have a gap down again inside this lower time frame entry. So I'm expecting the buyers to come in now. Hey, I like thanks so much for joining. Mahmoud, it's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. It's nice to have you here. Oh, I was expecting the buyers to come in. We had a gap down in favor of the buyers, and the buyers came in for a moment. Yes, I was expecting that. Okay, let's see. I was actually expecting the buyers to be stronger than that, but if the buyers can just, oh no, they couldn't. No, they just couldn't. No problem. The buyers are very weak here, so I have a feeling that the sellers will continue to the downside. You understand? Though this particular candle now is a sign of reversal, but I'm not going to take the trade again. I'll just wait for the buyers to actually come in fully. But let's check the rest of the market that we marked. The lost drive, the old stop. Yes, exactly. Now, actually, let me go back to that market and show you something quickly. You see, if we're in the market, the trade that we could have taken is this one. Let me show you. For I will zoom in very well so that you can see it. Or you know what? let me do it like this. Let me do it like this so that you guys can see clearly. Okay, this is it. The trade we could have taken is this. Did you see this trade? This one that entered into this area, this particular one. That was the trade. You see that first entry, the trade inside that first entry, that was our trade. But we were not in the market when this happened. So that could have been the entry we would have taken, and that would be our short. You understand? So we marked all. You remember we marked these two entries. We marked this one and we marked the one down here. Oh my God, Gemworld just made it happen again. Oh my God, Gemworld is in the house, guys. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much, Gemworld. I really appreciate that. Hope you're feeling great today. It's really nice to have you here. Now, guys, please let me thank Gemworld specially. This is the reason why I always say that Gemworld is the OG of this channel. You understand? This is the reason why I always say that Gemworld is the OG of this channel. You understand? She's always been supporting us back to back every day. You understand? She doesn't back down. You understand? So, guys, please let me thank Gemworld specially. Thank you, Gemworld, for that. That was amazing. Thank you very much. That was amazing. Chaka, thank you so much. Didi, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's so amazing. I really appreciate that. Yes. You understand? This is the reason why I always say that Gemworld is the OG of this channel. And we need to always, appreciate her when anytime she comes around. So thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Guys, join Gemworld. You see, if you want to support the channel like Gemworld, you want to be an OG like Gemworld, please go ahead and support the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. I really, really appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was amazing. Thank you, Gemworld. That was beautiful. Okay, that's good. Tido, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Okay. Okay, we have another decision point trade here. You know what? Let's go to lower time frame. Let's find it. Okay, we found it. Over here. Okay. Look at this. Okay. I'm looking for if there's any other entry. But you see that S30 entry was amazing. Yes. Gemworld is the OG of the channel. So if you want to join Gemworld, you understand, you want to become an OG like Gemworld, just go ahead, make use of the super chat, the super thanks, or the super like. You can just do any ones you feel comfortable with. You understand? The one that is really, really my favorite actually is the, oh my God, see this push to the downside. So the one that is really my favorite right now is the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. You understand? If you want to join the YouTube membership, just click the join button beside the subscribe button, and you can just go ahead and support the channel by being one of our members. So thank you so much. You understand? Sometimes anything as low as maybe $5, $10, it doesn't have to be big money. You understand? Basically, it doesn't have to be big money at all. You understand? As easy as you can afford. You understand? I read on. Personally, I'm not even the kind of person that talk about this kind of thing, but I've been told to constantly talk about it. You understand? Because there's definitely some people that would really love to do that, but they don't know how. So if I don't talk about it, they probably won't be able to do it. So that's the reason why I talk about it. So just click the join button beside the subscribe button, and that's it. All the members have some kind of perks that the regular people don't have access to. So that's the reason. So if you want to be that special person, go ahead and join the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. All right, cool. So I'm looking for a very beautiful trade. Now I know that we have some here, but they are yet to happen. You know what? Let me clear this. Let me redraw this because we have another one here. You see, this is another decision point trade. Look at this. We have a level here. There's a level there. And if we go to the lower time frame, oh, can you imagine? It's right on the money. You can see it's right on the money. This is beautiful. Thank you very much. Okay, cool. Hey boy Electrica, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I have a feeling that you are just joining because I've just answered your question. Like this particular question, I just answered it like a few minutes ago, so I won't be able to answer your question right now. But I've given a reason already. Maybe somebody in the chat can maybe give you a reason, the same reason I gave a few minutes ago. I've actually answered this question like 3 times already, so you understand. I know a lot of people have the same questions, but I can't keep answering that same questions back to back. You understand? It's going to be very tiring for me. You understand? But I have my reasons, and they are very good reasons actually. So look at this. We have an area of resistance being broken by the markets. If price comes back into this decision point area, we'll go with the buyers. It's as simple as that. Sorry, I couldn't read that last message. Okay, I'm waiting for this. Okay, just use real money so that we can copy you. No, we don't do copy trade here. If you are not ready to learn, then I cannot help you. So we teach here. We don't do copy trading. You understand? So it is for people who are ready to learn binary options trading. Yes. Hey, EMY, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Okay, since we have this, I'm going to mark this. Yes, we want to learn and trade by ourselves. Please, guys, go ahead and like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. I really, really appreciate. Yes, a lot of you really liked the video today. You guys are changing. Oh, that's good. You guys are really, really becoming. Yes, I like that. This is very beautiful. Please, I want to see more of that. Please, anytime you come on live like that, please go ahead and like the video. Yes, that was beautiful. Akin, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Yes. Yes. I would like to quickly touch on one thing because a lot of people a lot of you are not aware of this though. But let me quickly say it. The thing there is, I'm not actually getting paid by YouTube, for this channel yet. You understand? YouTube is not paying me for all this, and I've been running this channel for I think more than 3, maybe going to 4 years now. You understand? And everything has been out of pocket. I'm not complaining though, but some people might be wondering like, okay, why does it need? Why do you have to support the channel? So the thing there is, any support you put towards the channel, it helps you back. Let me explain. You see, the reason why I say it helps you too, because you see, any money I get from probably you, maybe if eventually YouTube start paying me, or I get any money from your support, so to speak, you understand, I'm going to put it back into having a better viewing experience. Look at the other day when we had bad internet, we couldn't interact. The comment section just went. You understand? So you see all these little things like internet, yeah, especially in the country where I am, very good internet is very expensive. It's for the rich. You understand? And the rich people don't send you. You get it, just somebody will say, "But you are rich already." Yes, I believe by God's grace I'm rich. You get it, just. But with your help, with the help of the community, let me put it that way. You understand? We can do better. There's a whole lot we can do. You understand? I can invest in better equipment. You understand? I can invest in better streaming equipment that might maybe in such a way that I can have better equipment that can maybe I can be streaming both vertical and horizontal live stream at the same time. You understand? That's a good one. You understand? I can invest in better editing rigs because I'm not even very good at editing. But these are the things we can do. You understand? Make the viewing experience better for you guys. You get it? So imagine that you can choose either to go landscape or to go vertical. It's beautiful. You understand? It's all these things we can do it. There's so much we can do, and we can stream in higher resolution, maybe in 4K. You understand? All these little things here and there. You understand? They are the things I have in mind that I want to do for you. But the thing there is, I'm just one man. Like I'm just a man, one person. You understand? But you see, with the help of the whole community, there's a whole lot we can do together. You get the gist? You can just maybe 4 or 5 trades per day, and you are good. You get the gist. So somebody was asking how many trades per day. You get the gist. So really, you can just do that. If you have it in mind to support the community or to support the channel, you can go ahead and do it. And there are several ways to do it. You can make use of the super chats, the super thanks. Sometimes just to say thank you. You can imagine some of you even made some trades and you made some profit. You can't even pay tithes. Go ahead and pay your tithes now. What are you doing? You understand? Little things like that goes a long way. You get it, gist. And you understand? On my own, I can do it, but I'd rather do it with you guys. You get it, gist. So that all of us can be a partaker of that blessing. Eventually, when all the blessings for the channel comes in, we're able to invest in better tutorial apparels. You understand? So these are the things I have in mind. You understand? Some of my videos are not even well edited. You understand? But I manage to edit it as much as I can. But you can imagine if you have a dedicated editor where we can do this, do that. It is going to increase your viewing experience. It's going to be better. So I want all these things for you guys. But the thing there is, with the help of the community, we can make it faster. So that's just the reason. You understand? So if you really want to support the channel, go ahead and do it. You understand? You can join the YouTube membership. You can do a whole lot. We can do. So thank you so much for doing that. Let's find a very good trade. Yes, you've done a new leaf. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Akin, I suspect you. You are one of them. You are one of those who would not pay tithes. Don't worry, now here we dey. Don't worry, now here we dey. Una go pay una tithes. Very soon, no worries. Maybe by the time you are making like maybe $10,000 every week, you know what, Baba? We just talk say we'll drop this one for you now. Make no be like say we dey try drag. Who is named Bataefe now? Just a random handle. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate that. Oh, I'm looking for a very beautiful trade. Our trades are not hitting yet, so we might need to chat another market. Josh, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. Somebody is naming himself Bataefe. Now, wow. Una go pay for that name, oh. Okay, let's look for let's change. Let's go to the crypto side. Let's see if we can find a good market there. Yes, so thank you so much for joining Breakthrough Trading. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. I'm looking for a very beautiful opportunity. Sometimes it takes a while to find a good opportunity in the market. You understand? It takes a while. This is a nice price channel. Let's mark it quickly. There's one particular tool. In fact, maybe I should use that tool now. There's one particular tool that a lot of you don't use, and it's probably maybe I've not thought about it. I usually don't use it a lot. You understand? But that tool is very, very good. Soft design. It's nice to have it here. You understand? Look at this. This is a very beautiful tool, actually. that you guys can use in the market. It will help you to chart the market, and you can easily tell where things are going. You understand? It's a downtrend, exactly. It's either you already detected the trend, but also you see with this true tool now we can tell where um okay, if we have a gap up now, oh come on, I'll still take this trade, and I'll tell you why I'm taking the trade. You see, we have a gap down, it's in favor of the buyers, but I'm still going with the sellers, and I'll tell you why I'm doing that. You see, we have a round number here. That round number is very, very strong. That round number may ignore the gap down and just go. Let me take one more here. This gap, it may ignore this gap down, and we may just have a red candle after, and we have a supply area here where we have the sellers. So though I shouldn't trade against the gap, this gap down is in favor of the buyers, but you see the that round number is just too strong for me to overlook, actually. So I'm expecting a red candle. If by miracle it will happen, you understand? Okay, okay. So this kind of thing now is only experience that can teach you. That's why I told you to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? You can't learn. You see this kind of thing. You can't learn it anywhere. You can only learn it by experience. You understand? It can only be okay. It can only be taught by experience. You understand? Especially this kind of thing. I know I've thought about round numbers many times, and I told you that the more zeros you have behind round numbers, the stronger that level becomes. So we have this supply area here, this supply zone, and it's about to cross this round number with one, two, three, four zeros. Oh my God, it's very, very strong. So there's no way the sellers are going to come in. You understand? So that's why I took the trade, and we're also in a price channel, so it makes so much sense to just go with the sellers. You understand? These are how we take our trades. You understand? Basically, if you're wondering what I did there, I removed the background. You can remove the line too, and just have this, but I prefer removing the background so that you understand. So hold on. Oh, I'm very loud. Wow, I didn't know that. Oh, somebody just said I'm loud. Okay, no problem. I'm reducing the volume now. Okay, cool. All right, no problem. I'll talk normally. Okay, this was a very beautiful trade. I'll keep this as a favorite in the market. All right. Okay. A soft design. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's check on all the markets. All these markets that we marked. Oh, can you mind? We almost missed this trade. Come on, we can't afford to miss this trade. We need to take this trade. Immediately price comes into this area, we're going with the sellers. I don't care. Oh, come on. Is it going to give us? Yes. This is the trade. I don't care what happens. I'm expecting a pullback. If the pullback doesn't happen, I'm fine because it's a good trade. So if we lose this trade, I'm still fine with it. Okay, you know what? Let me stake another one above this round number. I'm expecting a pullback. Let's see. Above the round number is a good place to enter also because it's common point of rejection. So let's see if that pullback happens. Okay, it may be a loss. Okay, fine. The pullback, okay, it's not going to happen. No problem. Oh, wow, it happened. That's good. Oh, let me check it. Okay, so it was break even. Oh, wait, is it break even? No, it was a win. We won it, yes. It's also a win. That's good. That's good. Fine. See, guys, you cannot call a trade a losing trade until the trade is actually over. You understand? Like I always say, anything can happen in these markets. So a win is a win, regardless. Even if you win by a very small margin, it's still a win. You get it, just so that's how it is. You can't you can't call a losing trade when the trade is not closed. It is on it's until when the trade is closed. You see, I've seen some ridiculous wins in this market. Let me tell you, there was one that happened one time. It was a trade like this. I took a trade up here, and the market just went up, 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 and eventually we had a very big pullback in the last second, and it was a winning trade. Very big pullback, like the pullback was big. I didn't expect it to be that big. So it happens, and I've had some pullbacks too that ended as a loss. So I will not call a market a trade a win or loss unless or until the trade is closed. That's when I know, okay, I've lost the trade or I've won it. You understand? Let's look for another let's check the stock section. Let's see if we can find a very good market. Oh, this is a very nice ranging market. We can go with the buyers after this. This is a nice ranging market. We have a doji, and you know dojis work best in ranging markets. If we have a gap down, that would be a beautiful trade. This is already an exhaustion candle coming towards this round number. Please give us a gap down. Please give us a gap down. Can you do that? I'm taking this trade, guys. Yes, I'm taking this trade. I'm expecting a green candle. Yes, following the strategy is key, guys. It's key. Regardless of either you win or lose, if you are able to follow your strategy, you'll be fine. You understand? I may take more trades in this trade if I find more reasons to go with the buyers. Oh, okay. I'm trying to look for a lower time frame entry. Usually, I would have done that before. Okay. This is a very good entry. I'm taking 2 more trades here. Now, somebody might be wondering why. Yeah, the bears are strong, definitely. You're very correct. That's why I'm looking for more reasons to go with the buyers down here. This is a demand area down here. Oh, the bears are very strong. You're very correct. But I'm still going with the buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to come in now. We're already in a demand area. Now, if they break through this area and they don't retrace, fine. It simply means I'm wrong. You understand? And I accept I can be wrong sometimes too. So you get it. Just it's okay to be wrong sometimes too because you are human. But these are exhaustion candles, and there are 2 big exhaustion candles back to back. I'm expecting a green candle, but if that does not happen, fine. Thank you very much for that. So let's see if the buyers come in. I'm actually expecting the buyers to come in here. We're in the demand area already, and we've crossed this. Oh, come on. Can the buyers make it? Oh no, that was too close. No, they couldn't make it. No problem. Sorry, I missed that last message. Can you resend your message? I mean, okay. I'm America X. Bull came in. Yeah, I mean the bulls, the buyers. I called the bulls the buyers. Chibu, Chibuke, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. You see, the buyers finally came in. The bulls, I mean, finally came in. So some of you prefer to use bulls and bears. That's very nice though. But I just use buyers and sellers. It makes it easy. Like it's a kind of layman's terms. Look at the buyers I was expecting to come in before. Now they're in. No problem though. It happens. Yes, you can watch my real trades. Ham Plaza, thank you so much for joining. Sorry, I couldn't read your message. Please send me a dot so that I can read the message. Thank you very much. Yes, if you want to watch my live trades, all you need to do is to go into the live trade session playlists. Musa, thank you so much for joining. Sweet soul, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yes, sweet soul. Thank you very much. Yes. So all you need to do is to go to the playlist section. There's this playlist called live trade sessions. That's where you see all my live trades. I'm still going to post some new live trade sessions, maybe today or tomorrow. Very soon I will. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate it. Guys, please go ahead. Please go ahead and like the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, Body Shaki Shaik. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Let's look for another. Oh, we have a QM here. Oh, wait. Let me check this market quickly. This looks like a basic market structure pattern, but I'm seeing a few things here. This is a thought breakout. If price breaks this level, sorry, I couldn't read. You know what? If you want to send me a message, just make it short. You understand? It's very easy for me to read short messages because anytime the messages come, they don't stay long. They just go very fast. You understand? So yes, it's a basic market structure pattern. So let's mark everything over here. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, without confirmation, I don't buy you. Because too much. You don't need to buy my course. You understand? You don't need to buy anything. You understand? Just watch the videos and see if you can learn a thing or two. And if you cannot learn a thing or two, fine. It's not a big deal. You understand? You understand? I know what I know. You understand? I teach what I know. And if you cannot learn it, fine. It's as simple as that. I'm not here to really sell you anything. I'm here to teach. And I teach what I know to the best of my knowledge. So the reason why I tell people to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is so that if they want me to teach you one-on-one, you can see it's not a course I'm actually selling. What I'm selling is you want me to teach you one-on-one. Some people prefer that one-on-one connection with their mentor. That's what I offer you. You understand? I take you straight, like one-on-one. I tell you, okay, you know what, do it like this. This is how you mark this. This is how you mark that. I teach you based like on a personal basis. You get the gist. Ask any of my students that are here right now if they enjoy my course or not, or if they enjoy my mentorship or not. They can give you real-time feedback. Human beings are here. You understand? And even those who are watching my videos, they can give you a real-time feedback. You can ask them. You understand? So you don't need to buy my course. You get the gist. That course is just an added bonus for you. You understand? So if you don't want it, it's fine. You get the gist. But I'm here to actually teach. So let's look for a very good. I'm still checking those markets that we. I want to take this trade, but you know what? I'm not going to take this. Let me check. Oh my God, these messages are long. I won't be able to read it. This is already very informative, more than others place. You see. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that confirmation. You understand? Because this is even free of charge, self. You understand? And it's already much it's enough information for some people to make plenty bucks in the market already. You get the gist. So the things I teach are authentic. They are from my own personal experience. I'm teaching you. So either you buy the course or not, you can still learn one or two things. You understand? My own thing is I want you to learn. It's as simple as that. So if you can stick through it and learn it personally, it's good. And if you want me to teach you personally, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. It's as simple as that. You understand? So I don't need to prove anything to anybody. Oh, this is a beautiful trade. Come on, we missed this trade. Guys, let me explain this trade. We could have taken this trade and it would have been a beautiful one. My God, see. Can you see this trade? Let me show you guys. Let me show you quickly. You see how excited I am. This is very beautiful. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you this trade. I'm waiting for this. Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, now. Yes. Okay. See, guys, I could have taken this trade, but this is a beautiful trade. You see, this would have been a trade. I would have entered here with the sellers, you understand, and the price would have come down and closed here and to have been winning trade. Now, let me tell you why. You see, this candle? This candle here is a doji. They call it a doji candle. This particular one. It looks like a cross, you understand? But most of the time, when you're in a ranging market like this, and the market is ranging, you see, this is the range. Let me show you. Look at it. This is the range, and this is the range. So you see, from this area, all this area now, all this area is a range. You understand? All let me see if I can mark it. You see, all this area is the range. All this area like this. Everything here is the range. So let me clear that. So you can see price broke this doji candle with a Marabout candle. You see, anytime you have a doji break, you're expecting an opposite candle after that. But now that you now have a Marabout candle, it's a Marabout candle is the candle that does not have wick at the top or at the bottom. You understand? It doesn't have any wick at the top and the bottom. So Marabout candle itself is a sign of reversal. Now, doji break also can give us a retracement, which is a red candle. You go with this. You don't think about it too much. You go with the seller straight. Why? Because look at this. This is also a round number. You understand? And it's very, very close to that round number. Look at this. This round number. You can see. This is a beautiful trade. We missed it. This kind of trades you pay me, but don't worry. This is a beautiful one. I just want to quickly show you. It's a very beautiful trade. We missed it though, but it's fine. It happens like that sometimes. This is a beautiful trade, man. Very beautiful. I think my time is fast spent already. But I hope you guys learned something. You understand? Thank you so much for joining, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Hey, V Pro, thank you so much for joining. What are we trading? This binary options trading, in case you don't know. And if you want to learn how to get started, the registration link is in the description. Click on the registration link, register with your email, and come back to this channel. You understand? Watch the beginners playlist. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. That playlist is very important for you if you're a beginner. Go ahead and watch it, please. You understand? And there's another playlist for everybody. It's called Live Trade Sessions. Go ahead and watch that playlist. I have over 100 videos there for you, free of charge. Just watch it. You will learn all the strategies that I'm using currently. You will learn everything. And if you want me to teach you one-on-one, you understand, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is in the description. Is the Telegram channel link. Click the Telegram channel link. Send me a message on Telegram, and I would give you all the details about the Barter-Pro mentorship. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys for liking the video. If you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to like the video, go ahead and like the video right now. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I will be back again tomorrow, probably same time by God's grace. Okay. So but you see, meanwhile, anytime you want to join the live and I've not come online, I'm not live yet, go and watch all the videos I've posted already. See, those videos are very helpful. Watch it. It will help you. It will build you. You understand? So please go ahead and watch those videos. It will really help you. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Guarav, thank you very much. Sorry, I missed. I couldn't pronounce that name. Akimbola, thank you so much for joining. Sweet Soul, it's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.